this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow grass around pine trees. Now, I live in the Northwest and there's lots of pine trees, and so growing grass under the pine trees can be quite a challenge. And a lot of times the moss will fill in over the winter, and the leaves come down from the deciduous trees near my pine trees, and the pine needles will come down in the storms, and it seems like everything gets covered up, and I can't get grass to grow very easily. But there are some tricks, and I've been persistent, and I've been pretty successful with growing grass under trees. And there's a few rules that I follow. And first of all, I add a little compost and some grass seed every spring and every fall. Really, that's your key to success. Because a lot of times in the shade, you will lose some of the grass over the year because it's not getting enough sun. And by reseeding it every spring and every fall, you will get a lush area. There's different types of grasses too, so do your research and find out what is the best type of grass for shade in your area. For example, in the Northwest, the fescues, F-E-S-C-U-E, are the best for the shade. So I try to use blends that have a high percentage of fescue in them in the shady area. But my rule of thumb is if weeds will not grow, then your grass will not grow. And you've got to water it really well because it's not getting any rain when it rains. So I always forget to water my grass under pine trees. So just by watering it, you will find that it will grow 10 times better. And especially in the spring and the fall or in the middle of the winter where it's rainy and you don't think you need to water, well, they're not getting water under the tree. So just by watering your grass, it'll do 10 times better. And just by knocking some of the lower branches off of the tree so that a little more sunlight can come in makes all the difference too. So if you can just cut a couple of the branches out of the bottom of the tree, you'll find your grass will grow so much better. And just add compost or potting soil every spring and every fall and some grass seed. And you will find that you can have lush, gorgeous grass under those trees.